how to transfer money from Greendot to Chime. Let's get started. So to do it, first you must link your bank account to Greendot. So log into your account, navigate to the funds, then choose your bank and transfer your login credentials, and then complete the verification steps. Then you want to transfer from Greendot to the link bank account. So using your Greendot account, transfer it to your bank account. Then from there, link the same bank account to Chime. So from your bank account, from the Greendot, you connect it all three. So from first Greendot, then to your bank account, then to Chime. Then transfer it from your bank account to Chime. And that's how you can basically transfer money from Greendot to Chime. And here are more ways to move money into Chime. So first, you can make an instant transfer. So you can link a debit card by adding a debit card number, or you can also transfer from another account in the Chime app. You can also transfer from another account's app or the website. You can also deposit cash and many more. So that's how you can basically transfer money from Greendot to Chime.